Hello, my dear students. Good afternoon, all of you. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. My name is Taizib sir, and today I am going to teach you new chapter division, chapter number 4, division. Already we have a complete means we have started a chapter number 4 division, but today we are going to the further. But before going the further, here we do the again revision and try to practicing solve the division sum. Understood? Try to solving a division sum. Got my point, students? So first of all, let's check here today's code, and then after we are going to further. Understood, all students? So let's check here all students. Here we are, let's see the code, and today's code is the more that you read, the more things you will know, the more that you learn, the more places you will go. Understood? The more that you read, the more things you will know, the more that you learn, the more places you will go. Understood? And now, students, let's check here today's content. Means today we are going to learn only that topic. Those topics are today we are going to discuss. Okay, and do the revision chapter number 4. Okay, revision and chapter number 4 division. Understood, all students? Division. Okay, chapter number 4, its name is division. Okay, in chapter number 4 division, first topic we are going to learn dividing a 4-digit number. How many digit, all students? 4-digit number, and then 3-digit quotient. Okay, and 3-digit quotient. Understood, all students? In chapter number 4 division, and today further we are going to do a dividing a 4-digit number. What, all students? Dividing a 4-digit number, and then after 3-digit quotient. Understood? 3-digit quotient and a 4-digit number. Okay, so now students, here we starting the chapter number 4 and its revision, and then after we move on the further. Okay, I hope you all are remember what is the meaning of division. Already we have done. Okay, division means, I hope you all are know. It means what division means. What, all students? We are share equally with our friends. Otherwise we are equally share with our friends or any other person. Means division means what, all students? We are equally divide. Okay, we are equally divide to all. Understood? It means division, its name. Okay, and its chapter name is division. Got my point, all students? So now let's check here further. So our topic is what, all students? Our topic is dividing a 4-digit number. How many digit, all students? There is a 4-digit number. Okay, 4-digit quotient. Okay, 4-digit quotient, its pronunciations. Okay, dividing 4-digit number, but 4-digit quotient, quotient, quotient. Understood, all students? I hope you all are understood. And students, one more thing I am forgot to telling you. You have to write this all things. Okay, you have to must be write this and those important things, and that topic also you have to write in fair book also with me. Understood? I hope you all are written with me, all students. Okay, whenever I am speaking, that time you written in your books. So students, please, some important notice, some important remarks, some important things you have to mention in your fair book also, and you have to mention in your rough book. Got my point, all students? So students, now check here. By example, we are going to learn a 4-digit quotient. Understood? So let's check here 4-digit quotient and its example. So here students, now we starting. A person who studies a fossils. A person who studies a fossil has packed his a collection of 9,138 fossils in the box to be sent to a museum. If a box holds 8 fossils each, so how many full boxes does he pack? How many are left over? Understood? So students, I remember I was told you that time fossils. What is the meaning of fossils? Fossils are the remains or imprints of plants and animals that lived 1,000 of years ago. Understood? And students, you also remember what is the meaning of fossils. Okay, fossils means fossils are the remains or imprints of plants and animals that lived 1,000 of years ago. So students, fossils means that. Okay, so again I am repeat this question. A person who studies fossils has packed his collection of 9,138 fossils in the box to be sent to a museum. If a box holds 8 fossils each, so how many full boxes does he pack? Okay, so how many are left over? So to answer this question, we need to divide 9,138 by 8, and the remainder will be the fossils that are the leftover. Okay, to answer this question we need to divide. Okay, what to do? We need to divide 9,138 by 8, and the remainder will be the fossils that are the leftover. Understood all students? So let's check here. Okay, how can we do the 4-digit quotient? Okay, quotient. So students, how many steps are to solving the 4-digit quotient? Okay, that time I was told you, and I remember, and you also remember with me. Okay, so here we discuss the first of all step, and one by one, step by step we do and we solve the sum. Okay, so step number 1 is what, all students? Decide where to start. Okay, that time I was told you all students, multiplication we start to our right side, but division also we always started to our left side. Okay, so decide where to start at. Okay, decide where to start at that point, and one more point is there all students. That time how many digit we are taking there? Okay, that time how many digit we are taking there? So 1 digit, is this possible? So taking 1 digit, and if this is not possible to 1 digit, so that time we are taking the 2 digit. Understood? So that point, okay, that point it's called a decide where to start it. Then after the second step number 2. But here one more thing here. There are enough thousands. How many enough thousands started at the 1,000? The first digit to the quotient will be written above a 9. Here we will be written above a 9. Okay. So students, one more thing here. We in our addition, subtraction or multiplication, always we one by one, step by step we do our sum. But there is, and those are same point. But in division there is no same, means similar, equal points. Okay. There in division, addition or multiplication, we started to what? Addition, multiply, that all n things, whatever that all n things. But we starting to the ones, that then after tens, by the follow to the place value chart, ones, tens, then after 100, 1,000, 10,000 or lakh. So students, that time we do the right position. Okay, means to started to right side, but here to started to left side. So left side of the place value, which digit coming the first? So 10,000, then after 1,000, 100, tens and ones, all students. It means here the opposite system. Here we apply the what all students? Here we apply the opposite system. Okay, so now do here this all students that method. Divide the 1000, divide, multiply the quotient with the division. Okay students, I hope you all are meaning of all things: divided, divisor, quotient, and remember. How many important words are coming in division? So first is what all students? Divided. Then after division, divided is in the box. Divided digit, it's called inside the box. Outside the box, it's called the divisor, and above the box, it's called a quotient, and above the answer, okay, nearest the answer means answer, remember, is a downside, it's called a remainder. Okay, so students, I hope you all are understood what we have to done, what we have done, and important things. We must be remember the important things, important notice. Understood? Okay, check that the remainder is less than our divisor. Always we check our remainder is less than the divisor. It means what? Divisor is bigger number and less, okay, and remainder is less than to our divisor. Means it means remainder is always a small to divisor. Okay, means all students, divisor is always a large or great numbers, not a small number. Okay, always the divisor is big number to remainder. This important notes you have to keep it in mind, all students. Remainder is the less than the divisor. Okay, so now here we starting the step number 2. Okay, so 8 goes into the 9 ones as 8 ones are 8. Take you close to the 9 but less than a 9. Okay, not a 9, we have to put a 9, or we have to take there a less than to 9. Okay, not a less than to 9 means only we are taking that 9. Okay, less than to 9, first of all we trying to taking that less than to 9, and it is not possible, so 9, so that time we are taking the 9. Okay, so here which digit is possible, all students? Here we are taking the less than to 9. Okay, write a 1 in the 1000 place of the quotient. Understood? Got my point, all students? So what to do that time? Multiply 8 ones are 8. So subtract 9 minus 8 is equal to 1. So check. Divisor is what, all students? 8, and here is our remainder. So see here. Okay, remainder is less than to our divisor. Here 1 and 8. What is which digit is bigger, all students? 1 or 8? 8. It's a divisor and it is remainder. Always our remainder is a small number and divisor is always our big number. Okay, so here always we take the less than number, less number. 8 ones are 8. So 9 minus 8 is equal to 1. 9 minus 8. 8 multiply with 1. 8 ones are, sorry, 8 ones are, we have to write here 1. 8 ones are 8. Okay, then after what to do? 9 minus 8 is equal to 1. Okay, now which step is coming? This we are, and then what to do? 8 in table number 8, 1 is come? No. So that time we bring down 1. Okay, we bring down here, we bring down 1 this here. Okay, so now do here, let's check how can and how can we do this and how can we put. Okay, all students, step number 3. Okay, which point is coming? Bring down 1. This bring down 1, see this arrow. Okay, so it's make a 11. In table number 8, 11 is come? Yes or no? No, obviously it's not coming. Small number to 11. 10 is coming? No. Less than to 11 we have to decide that number. Okay, so 10 is not coming, 9 is not coming, 8, yes, 8 is coming, but where? 8 ones are 8 again. Okay, so that time what to do? 1 minus 8, is this possible? No, so take the borrow. 10 minus 8, otherwise we have to not take the borrow. So what to do? 11 minus this 11, 1 plus 1, 11, 11 minus 8. So do with me all students, 11 minus 3. So how many left are there? Do with me all students, and silently keep it in mind and you decide. 11 minus 3, so how many left? 3. 11 minus 3, sorry, 11 minus 8 is equal to left. How many left there? 3. Understood? Got my point all students? So students, 1 is bring down as a downside, and then what to do all students? 11 minus 8, so 3 is a left. 11 minus 3. I hope you all are written with me all students. 11 minus 3, 11 minus, sorry, by mistake, 11 minus 8 is equal to 3. Understood? There is a 11 in 11 as the 8 ones are 8. Take you closer to 11. Write the 1 in the 100 place of the quotient. So multiply 8 ones are 8 and 11 minus 8 is equal to 3. Okay. Then what you check all students? You check the divisor. Divisor is always bigger than 2 our remainder. Otherwise remainder is always less than 2 our divisor. What? These things you have to fit in your mind, otherwise keep it in your mind. Okay. Here they only written what? A check. Okay, 8 or 3, less than, what, greater than. But that important things, what all students? Divisor, okay, divisor, okay, and a remainder. But you have to keep these things. Remainder is always less than to our divisor. What? Remainder is less than to our divisor. Okay, it means divisor is always a greater or a large number, and remainder is always a small or less number. Okay, I hope you all are understood this step number 3. Again I am repeating, dividing the 100. First of all, what to do? Dividing the 1000. Then after which digit it comes here all students? Dividing the hundreds. Okay, then after bring down to the next digit of the divided, multiply, subtract or check. Understood? Got my point all students? So those all important things we have to done. Okay, now we are move on step number 4. So let's check here the step number 4. Let's check here the all students step number 4. One by one we read the all things. Dividing the tens. See here. Then after dividing the ones, step number 5 is what all students? Dividing the ones. Okay, so students, dividing the ones before dividing the tens. Okay, dividing the tens. First of all we have done dividing the 1000, dividing the hundreds, and then now we comes on divided the tens. Okay, and then further we are move on the dividing the ones. Okay, so bring down the next. In further step number 3, which digit we have bring down? 1 is bring down as bring down. Okay, then after here next bring down the next digit of divided. Here which digit we are divided? 1, and then after which digit it comes? 3 is comes there. Okay, there is comes 3. Understood? There is a what comes is what also done? 3. There is comes a 3. So 3 we are bring down here. Okay, here is remainder is 3. Remainder is 3. Okay, 3 we bring down. Okay, students, gets, and let's check here. Okay, and gets in table number 8, 33 will be come or not all students? Decide just for 2 to 4 seconds. Table number 8, 33 will be come or not? No students. Okay, 33 you have to first decide. You have to think in table number 8, 33 will be come. If 33 will become, so we do, otherwise not come. So what to do? We take the smallest number to 33, means less than to 33. Okay, so 32. After the 32, which digit is come there? There is a come a 32. Okay, so in table number, think now again, 30 in table number 8, 32 will become? Yes, obviously 32 will become, but where all students? Okay, so we speak one by one. 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 8 3s are 24, 8 4s are 32. Okay, so 8 4s are, we have to write here 4, and then after 3 2, 32. 8 4s are 32. Okay, so now 33 minus 32, how many left all students? 33 minus 32, so how many left, or how many save we have? That we have left 1. 33 minus 32 is equal to 1. Understood? So students, I hope you all are understood. And now students, we are going to, and we are move on step number 5. As per step number 3 and step number 4, the same step. Okay, we have to bring down, then divide, multiply, subtract and check. Okay, a divisor means a remainder is our less than to our divisor. Okay, so I hope you all are, and now you take the time. Now you take the 2 to 3 minutes for solving the step number 5. I am waiting for you, and then after I am speaking, and then after we are solving here the step number 5. So do starting, all students. Do starting in your fair book. Okay, do starting in your fair book. What to do, all students? Do starting your fair book. Where and what, all students? In fair book you have to start the solving the step number 5. You do first of all bring down the here number. We do here the bring down the number. Okay, bring down the numbers. Which number? 8. Then here is one remainder, then you put the 8. Now students, what to do? You think in table number 8, 18 is coming or not? 18 1 8 18 is coming or not? You have to decide that time. Okay, now you decide, all students. Okay, so students, now you thinking, okay, now in table number 8 is 18 is coming or not? No, 18 is not coming. So what to do? We take the less number. Okay, we take there less than to 18, so 17. Okay, 17 in table number 8. 70 is coming, all students? Yes or no? No, there is not coming. So again we take the small number. So what to do that time? We take the 16. 1 6 16. Understood, all students? So students, what to do? Decide the 16. Decide things 16, but think you have to decide in table number 8. 16 will become or not? Yes, in table number 8 16 will become, but where, all students? 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16. So we write here the 16. 8 2s are 16. Okay, and then now what to do? Subtraction. Okay, 18 minus 16. 18 minus 16. So how many left, all students? 2. 18 minus 16 is equal to 2. And then you have to check. What you check, all students? Check. Okay, you check that our remainder is big or less to our divisor. Okay, what you have to check? Remainder is always true, always is less than to our divisor. So that is correct. See here, 2 or 8. Which digit is bigger? 8. 8 is what? That divisor, and 2 is remainder. So it's a proper. So no need to change it. Okay, and then here what is our answer? We have to decide, and we have to decide, and then we have to write the quotient. Quotient is how many digits are here, all students? Quotient is a 4 digit. Okay, answer is what, or quotient is what? 1142. 1142. Got my point, all students? Understood all? Okay, now let's check here the all step, and then we are going to the further sessions. Okay, so let's check here. So students, step number 5 is what, all students? Divide the ones. Bring down the next digit of divided. Divide, multiply and subtract and check. Okay, bring down the 8 here. We bring down the 8. Think what we have a think here. We think here in table number 8. In table number 8, 18 is coming or not? So 18 is not coming. Okay, so what to do? That time we have to take the small number 17. Okay, in table number 8 70 will become no, students. That's why 70 is not coming in table number 8. Okay, so again we take the small number 16. Okay, so students, in table number 8 16 will become or not? Yes, 16 will become in the table number 8. 16 will become in the table number 8. So what to do that time? That time we put the 16, means 8 to the 16. We decide where is coming 16, 8 to the 16. Okay, so we write there 8 to the 16. Okay, then after we do the subtraction, and 18 minus 16 is equal to 2, and then we have checked divisor is a large number, means big number, or a remainder is a big or large number. So our divisor is always greater than to remainder, or remainder is always less than to our divisor, students. So what to do that time? That, so students, answer is what, all students? So 9138 divided 8 is equal to quotient is 1142. Okay, 1142. Remainder is how many remainder? 2. Remainder is 2. So answer is what? The first answer we have write as like that. Okay, answer we have to write as like that. The fossils will be packed into the 1142 full box, and there will be a 2 left over. Okay, the fossils will be packed into 1142 full boxes, and there will be a 2 left over. Another method is here we are checked. Another method is what, all students? Let's check here the another method. Means there is a step by step. Okay, how many methods of solving this division? 2 method. Okay, but always we do the first method. Another method is just for your knowledge. Okay, if you have if you like feel easy this method, so you have to do in exam. Okay, but I am going to teach you only that method. Okay, step by step that method. Understood, all students? I hope you all are understood. Check our answer. Quotient multiply divisor plus remainder is equal to divided. Okay, quotient multiply a divisor plus remainder is equal to divided. Quotient multiply divisor, then plus remainder is equal to divided. Is this your our division sum? But this method we are don't applying. Okay, and this also another method we are not applying. Okay, there is a very tough or typical method, but always we do that method we have done. We only that method we are going to apply. Understood? Got my point, all students? Okay, now we move on the 3-digit quotient. It's a very easy or very simple. Okay, we know about the 4-digit quotient. 4-digit quotient. How can we do the 4-digit quotient? So here is a very easy of 3-digit quotient. So only these 2 steps I am going to explain now. Okay, 3-digit quotient. 6 newly trained pilots, 6 newly trained. Okay, newly trained pilots had 1284 hours of flying experience. Okay, 6 newly trained pilots had 1284 hours of flying experience. Okay, between them, if each had the same number of hours experience, so how many hours did each of them? To find out the numbers of hours of experience each pilot had, we had to divide it. Means here is which? Okay, 6 newly trained. How many trained pilots here? New pilots 6. Okay, but how many hours? 1284. So what to do? 1284 divided by 6. 1284 divided by 6. Okay, one by one we do the all step, all students. Okay, but in next session we are going to learn step number 1, step number 2, step number 3, step number 4. Okay, step number 3 only. Okay, step number 3 only we are going to do. In 3-digit quotient, how many steps are there? 3 digit. Okay, and 4-digit quotient there are 5 steps is there. Okay, and then we get the answer. So I hope you all are understood, and your FA2 exam will become. So students, please be prepared for your FA2 exam. Okay, one more thing students, in FA2 exam, chapter number 4 will become, only exercise number 4A will become, and this exercise tomorrow we are going to learn. Okay, I hope you all are understood, all students. Thank you so much all of you.